Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at 2016 Hyundai Tucson Ultimate. Under the hood, we have a 1.6 liter i4 engine. This Tucson is in black. It looks great, and you do have that chrome accenting on the front right there. It looks great. You do have halogen headlights right there, very bright, and you do have your fog lights just down there as well. And coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims with our hand-cooked tires. Those rims look very cool. I really like them, as well as those tires still have lots of tread left on them. Now we do have our mirrors here with the turning signals on them, and they also have the blind spot detection little radar thingy on there. And coming all the way to the back, we do have that Ultimate badging. We have the Tucson, as well as to open it up, you just got to press this. It is an automatic open. You do also have your parking sensors just down there. Looks great back here. Lots of room, very soft as well. You got some extra mats there. You can also lift this guy up, and your spare tire is just underneath there if you do ever need it. And you can fold those seats forward as well to give you a little bit more space. To close it back up, we actually just have this button right here. Press that, and it closes right back up for us, and we don't even have to do anything. Okay, we got our keys here. We got one press to lock all the doors, two presses to unlock all the doors. That one opens up the back, and that is our panic button. Now this guy is also the remote start, so you just got to hold it, and it does beep for us, and then it starts right up. Just like that. Remote start is especially nice in the winter. It gets it all nice and warm for you, and you don't have to worry about it. It's really great. Now it also has the proximity key on here, so if you have this, you can just press the button and it does unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You have your handle here and another handle here. Very soft, put your arm on, and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well. These leather seats feel fantastic. As well, you do have the controls over your seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support there. And then over here we do have the in-cabin light control here. We have our blind spot detection, lane departure detection right there. We also have our traction control, and that one does open up the back. Then right here we do have our turning signals, our control over our high beams, and our lights all in there. We do have our auto and our off and all that there too. Okay, let's start up here. So foot on the brake, press the button, and we're all good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there how many kilometers we have, which is only 12,000. That is pretty much nothing. You also have the temperature outside and our speed. We can change that around to our trip A and B, as well as we have our range, and we got all sorts of different stuff in here. We have our navigation right there. We have our lane departure. We have our Sirius XM and what channel we're on. And then you have your service as well as your user settings. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your cruise control options there as well. You do also have your horn in the center, and right here is your Bluetooth controls and your volume up and down, as well as your channel changer. And then right there is the controls over our windshield wipers. Now in the center here we do have our touchscreen display, so we do have our radio up here, so we have our Sirius XM, we have our AM, FM, all of that stuff in there, as well as we do have our FM and our AM, and we have our media button here if we have one hooked up through Bluetooth or aux cord. You also have your seek and your track, and then you have your map here if you want to look at where you are. Got some cool little things in there. You also have your navigation here, you can see where you're going. You have your Sirius XM button, you have your phone, and then you also have your info and your setup, channel changer and volume here. And then down here we do have the heat and cold, so it is dual climate system for you and your passenger. You have your off, your power up and down, as well as your mode and your AC. And then you have your heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, front and rear defrost, and then your circulation here. And then over here we do have a USB plug-in and an aux cord plug-in, as well as our gear shift right here. And when we are in reverse, we do have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping us nice and safe. We got some additional storage in here, a little spot. Then you also have a drive mode, you have your lock, you have your park assist and your downhill assist. Then you also have your cup holders there. And you can also lift this guy up, and there's some storage just in there. And over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof and our lights here, as well as a sunglass holder right there. And our sunroof is a gigantic sunroof. It looks fantastic. Lets in tons of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have heated seats for the people back here and the controls over your windows. You got your handle here, and some storage down here. It looks great back here as well. It is leather, looks and feels fantastic. You can pull that down, and you do have your cup holders there, as well as an armrest if you did need it. And then you can also fold these forwards with this right here. Folds the seats forward, and then you got even more room. And there's our 1.6 liter i6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Hyundai Tucson Ultimate. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.